I don't know what going on or what happened, but and what's going on, guys? Back with another video, man. Y'all already know who it is. Y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, so y'all already know we're gonna get into. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to keep boring y'all with the same footage, but it pretty much an update on what I got going on for real. And currently, the current situation is that earlier, when it was last week, I was on my way to work, and my other headlight ended up going out on me. So right now at this point, I only have 2 high beams, which is crazy, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I ordered my other headlight, and for some reason they still ain't came in, so I had to go dig through my storage and find the original bulbs to go in it. So, you know, I didn't want to do it like this because I was hopefully thinking that the other headlight would have been in by now, but apparently not. So at this point, I'm gonna end up with two original low beam and the white 6K high beam. So until my other one get in, but hey, it's better than nothing, man. Because like I say, when I'm on my way to work, it's pitch black dark, man. I travel a very, very dark, lonely back road, man. You know what I'm saying? And it be a whole bunch of deer out there, man. And it's good to be able to see, man, because you know, ain't nobody trying to go through the house or hitting something or having something hit you or see, you know, anything can be in the road, any type of object can be in the road. So it kind of good to be able to see, man. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. And I'm not 100% sure if these are the low beams. I'm praying they are. If not, I'm gonna have to dig through my storage house a little bit more to see can I locate the high beam. I mean the low beams, but at this point, I mean, I just gotta do what I gotta do until the other one come in. But like I said, like I always say, if you're here just watching the video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I drop a video, y'all. And if you're here just watching the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, you know, it'll be greatly appreciated if you hit that subscription button and that notification bell, man. And for all those that have subscribed to the channel, like I say on every last video, I appreciate y'all 1,000% for doing that for me. You know what I'm saying? They greatly appreciate it. And like I say, more content on the way, man. We got a big event coming up real soon, and I'm gonna make sure I get y'all some good fire ass footage, man. I'm gonna get y'all some fire ass footage of all these vehicles they're gonna be around. You know what I'm saying? From nice vehicle to audio systems, all that, man. So y'all stay tuned for that footage, man. But until then, you know, I'm gonna pretty much give y'all what I can, you know what I'm saying, just to keep content on the channel and keep it going, man. But with all that said, I'm gonna set the tripod up and we're gonna get the breaking the headlight down, and hopefully I ain't doing all this, you know, just for the fuck of it or for the hell of it, because, you know, like I say, hopefully these the right bulbs, man. So finger crossed that these the right one, man. So I'm gonna set the tripod up and we're gonna get straight into it, man. Appreciate y'all. Look, y'all, I don't know what's going on, but in the middle of him making that video, he telling the dude to put his hands up. I don't know what's going on or what happened, but that car, I don't know if y'all can see it right here, but these cars right here been riding around the neighborhood for a minute. Needed that footage. Okay, so guys, I don't know what the hell that was about, but they made it quick. So y'all see the police getting ready to leave or whatever, but that little car that they pulled over, man, was out here in the neighborhood just riding around, man. So I don't know if somebody called the police on them or what. But yeah, kind of needed that little footage, man. But like I was saying, man, I'm gonna set the tripod up. We gonna get the headlight broke down.
This is a rude boy production, man.
Okay, guys, in the midst of me getting ready to take the headlight off, I ended up finding another problem, man. Get us a light. It's always something with these cars, man. If it ain't one thing, it's another. It's always something, but I don't know if y'all can see this real good or not, man. You know, the camera. I'm gonna have to do what I gotta do with the camera, y'all, but that's a good angle right there. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it's like a huge ass bubble right here, man. I wouldn't call it a bubble, but the tires are wearing bad. So I don't know if y'all seen that good or not, man. Hopefully y'all did, but if it ain't one thing, it's another one. So that tells me I need another front end alignment, and that also tells me if I want to make it a couple more days without having a blowout, I really need to try to rotate these wheels, man. I need to try to put the back in the front, the front in the back. So it at least give me a couple days, you know what I'm saying, to try to be able to get me another wheel. I mean, get me some more tires, or get some more tires, and go and get me a front end alignment, because that ain't too good, man. As a matter of fact, I need to check the other side, because that's not good at all. And this side right here, damn, it'll look perfect, man. So this side right here look perfect, man. So it's just that side. So I'm about to get something done about that, man, because these 24-inch tires ain't nowhere near cheap, man. You know, so I'm gonna have to address that, man. I don't want to today, but it look like I'm gonna have to. Cause like I just said earlier when I first started the video, I travel a long, lowly dog back road. You know what I'm saying? Early in the morning, and that's the last thing I'm trying to do, be beside the road trying to swap tires out.
This is a rude boy production, man.
Okay, guys, back with another update. Okay, the ones that I showed y'all earlier, these are the high beams. So I'm gonna stick these back in my car in the glove box, and they didn't fit. So like I said earlier, if those didn't fit, I'm gonna have to go back through my storage house. I'm gonna have to go back through my storage house and basically, you know, try to locate them, because I know I kept both of the original, all four of the original headlights. So this is these are the other ones. I actually found them in my storage house. Pretty happy, because that saved me like $20 going up there to the parts. So I called up there, he said it'd be like $21 for both of them. So that saved me 20 something dollars. I actually found both of them, so that was a win, you know. Saved me $20. I could put that in my gas tank for the weekend to go to work or whatever. So like I said, that's a win-win. But y'all can see I got everything pretty much tore down. So I'm gonna get these in, y'all. Y'all see I'm sweating. It's hot as hell, man. I'm gonna swap these wheels out after I finish. Then we get back in some light. Swap these wheels out, man. And like I say, man, I hope y'all, you know what I'm saying, like this video. If you made it this far, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Drop a like on the video. You know what I'm saying? Like I said earlier, more content coming. You know what I'm saying? More car audio content coming, man. But like I told y'all, this all around car channel. So whenever I'm working on either one of the cars or anybody's car, I'm gonna flip the camera on and let y'all, you know what I'm saying, get a glimpse of what I be doing. So like I said, if y'all made it this far, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. But I'm about to get all this stuff back together in the car and get these low beams in. Put these high beams up while I know where they at, just in case my LEDs go out on my high beam. You know, it's not a hard job, it's just hot out here, so I'm about to get back at that, y'all. All right, guys, y'all seen y'all seen how it turned out. Don't look bad as I thought it was. Well, I thought it would, but like I said, it's hot out here, man. So I may have to make swapping these rims out a separate video, man, because I don't want to overheat out here, man, and pass out, you know. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscription button, drop a like on the video. Leave comments, let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all like to see in these videos, man. But other than that, base at it, we out here, man.